19 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 goes into this one how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 4, so 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 1, bring down this 9, 19. 4 goes into 19 how many times? 6 times 24, 5 times 20, okay, which is getter, so 4 times, right? 4 times 4, 16. If you subtract, then you are getting 3. So your answer is 4. 0 means 4, remainder 3. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros as you wish. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? Okay, 8 times 32, which is getter, so 7 times. Right, 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 24 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times, right? 5. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. Your answer is 4.75.